All right, guys, check this out. It's 2 o'clock in the morning. You're trying to go to sleep, but it feels like the inside of a microwave burrito. You know those nasty ones that you get that are like $1 that you pop in the microwave? Gross. You got a ceiling fan. It's not nearly enough, especially if you've had a gummy. You know what I'm saying? So at that point in time, that is when you make bad decisions, like ordering a fan that you've never heard of off of Amazon for like 10 bucks. Scrap that. Instead, we're gonna talk about this fan right here. I did not want to review a fan, let me tell you. However, then they told me all about this fan and how it's got an app and how it's got Wi-Fi and how it's got 12 speeds and does all of these cool things. It's kind of like having R2 from Star Wars, except without the attitude. So we're gonna get into this fan right now. Dang, this thing's like a rocket launcher. It actually does look super clean. All right, guys, so we just finished taking this out of the box. It was literally 3 parts plus the remote. So the base itself comes in 2 different parts. All they do is click together, and then the fan itself, you run the cord through the center of the base, and then once you hit the bottom, there's 2 pins. You have to get those pins lined up right in order to rotate it so that it locks into place. And those pins, they pop down and they keep it from unlocking as it's oscillating. The last piece that it comes with is the remote. Super small, slim profile remote. And the best part is they actually send you batteries with it. It takes 2 AAA batteries, but you don't have to go buy those. They sent them. So the unboxing and the assembly, super easy, super quick. Honestly, like I said in the very beginning of the video, I really was not excited to review a fan. If you've seen one fan, you've kind of seen them all, right? If we're being honest. However, after we took this thing out of the box and we started playing with it, I grew to love it real quick. Being hot, especially at night, is one of those things that nobody likes, but me in particular cannot stand it. I will literally not sleep in the bedroom if it is too hot in there. I will just move. The base itself, super sturdy, so you don't have to worry about this falling over or anything like that. The actual controls on top of the fan are great, but the fact that it comes with the remote and the app, that's a game changer, because now you don't even have to get out of bed in order to turn this thing on. I want to go through all of the features that you've got available on both the remote and the app. You've got one screen that kind of controls everything with the exception of the actual setup. So if you need to go into the setup, then you just go to the options menu just like any other app. But outside of that, you don't need to scroll screens or anything. It has everything that you need right here on the main screen. First off, obviously you control how fast you want the fan blowing. And so you can go up or down on the remote. It goes all the way up to 12 speed settings. And then as far as the oscillation goes, it's got complete control over how far you want the fan to oscillate. So it's not just a matter of the settings, it's actually, you can control the degrees that you want it to go. So you can literally set it to like 78 degrees on your phone, and that is utilizing the app. So it's got full 120 degree range as far as the oscillation goes. So it's not just, you know, a little bit, it pretty much goes almost all the way around. And one of my favorite features, and I should probably go through all of them, but I'm super excited about this part. It has a sleep timer, just like a TV, right? So if you're one of those people, like me, who watches TV in the evening in the bedroom, set the sleep timer, TV cuts off in 30 minutes, whatever. Fan has the exact same ability. So you can set that sleep timer through the remote, or you can set it through the app, either one. It's got all kinds of crazy modes up here. It's got night mode, it's got eco mode. How about just full blast? We want full blast mode. You're gonna hear that for sure. That's awesome. Look at that, fan speed adapts to ambient temperature. Okay, so there's a little button at the very top of the app. It's a fan blades with a little A on it. I didn't know what that did, but when you read it, it says fan speed adapts to the ambient temperature of the room. So it actually gives you, up here in the corner of the app, it gives you the temperature of the space, and then on top of having the temperature of the space, if you set it to that auto mode, then it automatically adjusts depending on the temperature. That's pretty impressive. And then the other one, so you've got a few modes up here. The next mode that you have is this little leaf right here, and this is natural mode, and it says fan runs at alternating speeds. That's kind of crazy. Normal mode is the fan just runs at the normal speed, and then the last button you've got up here is sleep mode, which automatically turns the mute on, so it doesn't make a bunch of noise. And then the fan speed decreases once every 30 minutes with a maximum reduction of 3 levels. So if you're set on level 12, it goes from 12 to 11 to 10 to 9, and so on and so forth. Wow, super cool. Child lock, it has a child lock, that's kind of cool. And then it actually has memory. So after you turn the fan off, it will actually operate under the previous settings when you turn it back on. So it remembers. This thing is pretty freaking impressive. One of the things that's super cool, obviously you can connect it to the app and you can control it through the app. That's all great. On top of that, you can actually connect it to Google or your Alexa, either one of those. And then you can just tell Google, hey Google, turn my fan on, and it'll do what you need it to do. The other features that it's got that I really love is that you can actually turn the LED off. My wife hates any LED lights. Actually, scratch that. She hates all light, okay? So if you've ever been on a cruise and you've slept on an interior ship room where it's completely pitch black after you turn the lights out, that's how she likes it. So we actually have power shades, they come down, room is pitch black. Reason that this is a big deal is because this fan has an LED screen that shows what setting it's on, whether or not it's oscillating, whether or not it's got the timer turned on, all of that kind of stuff. So if you did not have the ability to turn that off, that would be literally a deal breaker for us. LEDs, the fact that you can turn that off, it's a huge bonus. You can also turn the sound off. So again, if you're like my wife, even the smallest sound can kind of wake her up. And so if I'm adjusting the fan and it makes that little beep, then that's no bueno. So anyways, you can turn that off as well. Just about everything that you would want a fan to do, they thought of. The fact that it has app support and you can control it from your phone, that's next level. They really thought about just about everything with this fan. And to be quite honest, I haven't had any complaints at this point. So it's super modern. Obviously, it doesn't take up a whole lot of space, which if you're a minimalist like me, which my creative director says that I have 1 plant and sparkling water, which I do, it fits just fine in our contemporary home. I feel like I've said enough good things about the fan, but I've got at least one more for you. The fan itself is ultra quiet. Even at the speed 12 at 28 feet per second, you can barely hear the thing, which obviously if you're gonna be putting it in the bedroom is an absolute must. Okay, all right, just let me turn it on. Oh, there it is. That's pretty nice, not even gonna lie. So as far as cleaning goes, this is a huge deal for me. Everybody knows that fans get all kinds of nasty crap all over their blades all the time. So on the back side of this fan, we've actually got this little panel here, and it has one single screw. And it's a Phillips screw, so you can use any Phillips screwdriver. Take that screw out, and then this piece right here lifts up, and you have full access to the back blades of the fan so that you can clean it. And then that also allows you to clean this grate. And because it's plastic, you can take this grate, hose it out, wash it out in the sink, whatever. The actual cleaning of the fan, super easy. Thank God, because nobody likes cleaning fans, but nobody likes a dirty fan either, blowing nasty stuff all over you. So I'm actually gonna take this back panel off so we can see how easy this thing is to clean. Like I said, you're gonna need a screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver. Any Phillips will do. Just like that. Shut up. So this little piece right here, you can actually take that, hose that guy out. That's where most of the dust is gonna collect. And then the fan blades on the inside, this is very different. This is not like your typical fan blades. You can see that this is a fully rotating, cylindrical mounted fan blades. So super easy to clean. You just take a rag, come in here, wipe it down, rotate, wipe down, rotate. I love that. That's awesome. This is kind of nice, but it may trip you up if for whatever reason you blow this fuse. So if you're familiar with Christmas lights that have a fuse in the cord, this is fairly similar. So in this little spot right here, you lift that up and it has a little fuse there in the cord so that it prevents electrical fires and things like that. If for whatever reason you have a time where the fan's not working, that is gonna be your first thing to check, is that little fuse. And what's nice is they give you a few extra, so you're good to go. You're very seldom ever gonna have to jack with that, but if you do, there it is. Shout out to ZAFRO for sending me the Smart Tower Fan. Like I said in the beginning, I really didn't want to review a fan. I run a construction company, not a fan company, okay? Not anything that would be using a fan like this on a job site. But I tell you what, after unboxing and playing with the fan, I can guarantee you I'll be using this every night, especially in the bedroom. But I think I'm gonna have to order a second one for the office. It has everything. If you want a fan, it checks all of the boxes. It's super quiet. The fact that it's a smart fan is a little bit ridiculous, but makes this like a compelling purchase. I didn't think that the smart fan part would be worth it. With the app control, honestly, it's worth every piece of it. Do yourself a favor, go get you one. Link is in the description or the bio or all of the places that you put links. And the price on this fan, it's premium fan for not premium price, okay? So that's probably the best part of the fan. That being said, y'all know the deal. Like, subscribe, hit the little heart, and do all the things, and I will see you in the next video.